Hi, my name is Ken Wong. I am a civil engineer and land surveyor. This session explores whether AI ChatGPT can replace a professional in preparing legal descriptions. The facts are not possible because the caption of a legal description requires specific knowledge to decide what is needed. If humans have to participate, then it totally defeats the purpose of saving time and labor. The body of the legal description employs precise wording with no room for deviation. Accountability is another issue. Who will take a responsibility when things go wrong? The user or the AI company? What about them having a disclaimer? The bottom line, the client will suffer legal and financial consequences. The takeaway is that the legal description is a precise document. You cannot write it any other way, unlike writing a story. If you use the AI ChatGPT, there are hundreds of ways to write it, but they are just stories. Now you are learning the legal description. All AI ChatGPT will never replace you, and no one will take away from you. So sooner you learn, the sooner you will benefit yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give thumbs up, tell a friend. Goodbye.